Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Sunil. Today we are going to learn English workshop of the poem Walk a Little Slower from 9th Standard English book. Before that, I request you to subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon. Therefore, you will be notified as soon as I upload a new video. English workshop Walk a Little Slower. A1 Simple factual questions. Question number 1. Put the words given in brackets in the proper blanks. A. The child is talking to its father. B. The father is leading and the child is following. C. Someday the child will become a father. D. The child does not wish to fall while following its father. Second question. Write whether the sentences are true or false. First, the child is following in its father's footsteps. True. Second, the child is the speaker of the poem. True. Third, the child wants to be like his father. True. Fourth, the child doesn't want to follow his father. False. A2 Complex factual questions. First question. What would happen if the child tried to walk fast? Why? Answer. If the child tried to walk fast, he maybe fall down because he is very small. Second question. Why would the child request his father to walk slower? Answer. The child requests his father to walk slower because his father's steps are very fast and sometimes they are hard to see. Third question. Does the word walk refer only to the act of walking? What does the poet actually mean to say? Answer. No, the word walk does not refer only to the act of walking. The poet uses the word walk to refer to father's actions, decisions, teachings, etc. Question number 4. What do the footsteps of the father refer to? Answer. The footsteps of the father refer to his father's manners, his actions, his decisions, his behavior, and how he becomes successful in life. Question number 5. Do you have a role model? What qualities do you appreciate in your role model? Answer. Yes, my class teacher is my role model. I think he is the best teacher in the world. The qualities I really appreciate in him are confidence, hardworking, the way of teaching and explaining in simple language, positive behavior, good sense of humor, good communication with parents, good classroom management, and many more things made my teacher role model for me. Next question. What qualities of your parents or elders would you like to adopt? Answer. I would like to adopt many qualities from my parents. Those qualities are working hard, confidence, helpfulness, obedient, honest, never give up, and never tell a lie, etc. Seventh question. Write the implied meaning in the following lines. First, sometimes your steps are fast. Answer. The line suggests that sometimes his father's actions are very fast. B. Sometimes your steps are hard to see. Answer. The line tells that the child in this poem was unable to understand his father's actions because they are very fast. C. I would want to lead just right. Answer. This line describes that the child in this poem doesn't want to make mistake in life and he wants to lead his child on correct path. D. And know that I was true. Answer. The child was sure that he would give proper guidance to next generation. A3. Vocabulary based or poetic devices questions. Question number 1. Write the rhyming words from the poem. Answer. Small, fall. C. Me. B. Me. True, you. Second question. Find out opposites from the poem. First, big, small, easy, hard, lead, follow. Wrong, right. Third question. Write as many phrases or sentences as you can using a little extra, a little later, a little longer, a little girl, a little bit of bad luck, a little younger, a little while ago, a little louder, a little easier.